Welcome to the Profit Lion Speed video on Master the RSI Scalping Strategy, Expert Tips for Profitable Trading. 1. Understand the concept of the Relative Strength Index, RSI, and its role in scalping strategies. 2. Choose a suitable trading platform that offers RSI indicators and tools for analysis. 3. Set up your trading platform by adding the RSI indicator to your chart. 4. Determine the time frame that suits your scalping strategy. 5. Define the RSI parameters, such as the period length and overbought/oversold levels. 6. Identify potential entry signals based on RSI values crossing above or below the overbought/oversold levels. 7. Consider additional confirmation signals, such as price action or other technical indicators, to validate RSI signals. 8. Develop a risk management plan by setting stop loss and take profit levels for each trade. 9. Execute trades based on the RSI signals and risk management plan. 10. Monitor the market closely and adjust your strategy if necessary. 11. Keep track of your trades and analyze their outcomes to refine your RSI scalping strategy. 12. Review and adjust the RSI parameters periodically to adapt to changing market conditions. 13. Consider backtesting your RSI strategy using historical data to assess its performance. 14. Continuously educate yourself about RSI and other technical analysis tools to enhance your scalping skills. 15. Stay disciplined and avoid emotional decision-making while implementing the RSI scalping strategy. 16. Consider using a demo trading account initially to practice and gain confidence with the RSI strategy. 17. Seek guidance from experienced traders or financial professionals to improve your understanding of RSI scalping. 18. Keep up with market news and events that may impact the effectiveness of your RSI scalping strategy. 19. Evaluate the profitability and consistency of your RSI scalping strategy over a reasonable time period. 20. Adjust your trading plan and strategy based on your experience and the feedback from your RSI scalping trades. Thank you for watching. Check out our other videos on our Profit Lion channel.